Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken pot pie ever. This recipe is a classic comfort food that's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a potluck with friends. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought pot pies again. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients. The key to a delicious chicken pot pie is using fresh, high-quality ingredients. It makes all the difference in flavor and texture. You're going to need cooked chicken, frozen peas and carrots, and diced potatoes. You can use leftover chicken or even a rotisserie chicken from the store to save time. The peas and carrots add a nice pop of color and sweetness, while the potatoes make the filling hearty and satisfying. And of course, a can of cream of chicken soup. This is what gives the filling its creamy, savory base. If you prefer, you can make your own cream sauce from scratch, but the canned soup is a great shortcut that still tastes amazing. Oh, and don't forget the pie crusts, one for the bottom and one for the top. You can use store-bought if you want to keep it simple, or you can make your own if you're feeling ambitious. Either way, the crust is what holds everything together and gives the pie its delicious, flaky texture. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature will help the crust get nice and golden brown while ensuring the filling is hot and bubbly. While that's heating up, grab a large bowl and mix together your cooked chicken, peas, carrots, potatoes, and cream of chicken soup. Make sure everything is well combined. You want that filling to be packed with flavor. You can also add some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices to taste. A little bit of thyme or rosemary can add a wonderful depth of flavor. Next, take your pie crust and lay it in a 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently into the bottom and up the sides. Make sure there are no air bubbles trapped underneath the crust. Pour your chicken mixture over the crust, spreading it out evenly. You want to make sure every bite is filled with that delicious, creamy filling. Now here's where the magic happens. Take your second pie crust and place it over the top of your filling. This top crust will bake to a beautiful golden brown and add a wonderful crunch to each bite. Trim any excess crust and press the edges together to seal it. This step is important to keep all that delicious filling inside the pie. You can crimp the edges with a fork if you want to make it look extra fancy. This not only makes the pie look beautiful, but also helps to seal the edges even better. Don't forget to cut a few slits in the top crust to let steam escape. This will help your pie bake evenly and prevent it from getting soggy. You can get creative with the slits and make a fun design if you like. This will help your pie bake evenly and prevent it from getting soggy. Now your pie is ready to go into the oven. Pop that bad boy in the oven and let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Keep an eye on it towards the end to make sure the crust doesn't get too dark. While your pie is baking, take a moment to clean up your kitchen and maybe even set the table. A clean kitchen makes the cooking experience so much more enjoyable, and setting the table will make your meal feel extra special. When your pie is done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing into it. This will help the filling set a bit and make it easier to cut clean slices. Trust me, I know it's hard to wait, but you don't want to burn your tongue. The filling will be very hot right out of the oven, so give it a few minutes to cool down. And there you have it, the best chicken pot pie ever. It's warm, comforting, and absolutely delicious. The perfect meal for any occasion. Perfect for a cozy dinner or impressing your friends at your next potluck. This dish is sure to be a hit with everyone who tries it. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing how your pies turn out. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep making these videos for you. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your amazing chicken pot pie.